For the Biharis, it's like little difficult because I'm from village area. So
You don't believe. Why? You mean that there is one life, one death. That's it.
yes, I believe in practical world. She's very passionate girl. Whenever like she aims something, she do anything to achieve it.
She does anything to achieve it.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. It's like, birds of a feather flock together. Chor chor mausere bhai. When you go to the politics and become the prime minister, you will also be corrupt somewhere. You are gonna agree हाँ कि drugs ले लेना चाहिए. Okay, Kalyani. So it's first of all is the personality test. I want to check your personality. That how's your personality, right? So first of all, being a girl, what do you think? Like, what is missing part of your life, and what do you think? Like, if you were a boy, then what could you have done if you're not able to do as a girl?
If I were a boy, I would love to play cricket, and I will join that cricket academy.
So you can play right now as well.
But it's difficult for girl to join cricket academy.
There are such teams and which is playing actually cricket. So
It is, but for the Biharis, it's like little difficult because I'm from village area. So
you are saying that Biharis are actually not capable to play cricket.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying like my background is like I'm from village area. So
What are you doing in your village area? You are in Delhi now, just doing personality development course, doing your studies, walking on the road and having fun and enjoyment, and you are talking that you cannot play cricket because it's not in a village.
I can do it, sir. But actually, I just came here after giving 10th. But the cricket academy joined students from like 6th class.
Okay.
So I just missed that basic training.
So why are you just highlighting the village that you said that I'm from village, that's why you can't play cricket? I don't understand this.
I didn't get the opportunity to join the academy. That's
okay. So what is another thing that is missing? If you were a boy, you could have just done that.
I don't think.
You don't think anything. Now I think because of my statements or because of my pressure, you are saying now.
I was like devoted toward cricket from my childhood, but I didn't get that opportunity because I am girl, and it was not safe for my father to send me when I was kid to the cricket academy. So yeah, that is only the reason.
Okay. So what if you were dead?
I didn't understand, sir.
What if you were dead? क्या होता कि अगर आपकी इस वक्त मौत हो गई होती तो क्या होता?
My family becomes like emotional.
And what about you?
My life is just got end.
Got end. So do you think that there is life after death? There is rebirth. There is life after death. Do you believe in this kind?
In Hinduism, it is said that there is a rebirth. But
you believe in this?
No.
You don't believe. Why? You mean that there is one life, one death. That's it.
Yes, I believe in practical world.
You believe in practical world. I think you are somewhere not devotee or not devoted to the God.
I'm devoted, but there is a rule of karma, so I usually believe in practice.
So if there is a karma, so the karma will be given back to you in the rebirth or next birth. What do you think about this?
No, I believe the karma will return to only this birth.
This world or in this life.
In this life.
If I have done something wrong in my life or in my 20s, will I be getting it in my 40s? You mean to say that?
Yes.
Why is it so?
There is a rule of karma said that everything comes after.
So you want to say that all the millionaires and billionaires, they have done something good karma in their past. That's why they are millionaires and billionaires now?
They did hard work in their past time. That's why they are millionaires and billionaires.
So that was a karma.
Yeah.
You believe in karma?
Yes.
Do you believe in luck?
Little bit.
Okay. How many percentage? Out of 100%. Just 10% you believe. Okay, 90% you believe in hard work. If Kalyani were not Kalyani, so what if Kalyani would be actually?
It's about my name or my...
It's about your name, yes.
Maybe Shreyasi.
Shreyasi. Why is it so? Is your sister's name Shreya?
No.
Friend's name Shreya or you like Shreya?
My sister said that if it not be Kalyani, then it should be Shreyasi.
Shreya Singh. Okay. So what Shreya can do that Kalyani cannot do?
Maybe same personality.
Same personality. Do you think that name changes the personality?
After getting something.
After getting something. If I give you this blank paper, so what will you write? If I give you this blank paper, what would you write?
I would like to thank my sister for every suggestion and...
Where is your sister now?
She's in Delhi.
She's in Delhi. Is she with you?
Yes.
She's with you?
Yes.
Is she your own sister or cousin?
She's my own sister.
That's great. But she did not come that day. When you came with your cousins, she was not.
She was at Kashmir, but now she came here for seminars.
She came here for seminar. Tell me something about your sister.
She has a great personality. She is very hardworking and devoted toward her work. She's very passionate girl. Whenever like she aims something, she do anything to achieve it.
She does anything to achieve it.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Apart from your sister, what would you like to write on this blank paper?
Mama and father.
Mama and father. Tell me some good things about your mama and father.
Mama is very emotional, supported person. Like whenever we feel low or demotivated, and whenever we feel stressed, and we used to say to our mama something like, "I'm not good, I'm feeling low," and something like that. She used to motivate me. She used to motivate sister.
Okay.
She's very good-hearted.
What about father? Is he very strict or he's so hard father?
He's very good-hearted father. He's very gentle and teaches every good aspect of life in a very good manner.
Okay.
He handles every situation with a smile.
That's fantastic. I could say that your father is an amazing personality. Okay, so I want to know that if you become the Prime Minister of India, what 3 changes would you like to bring to the country?
Strict education law,
Okay,
rule.
okay,
I would like to reduce corruption.
okay.
Yes, I would definitely like to work on
Do you
corruption.
not think that, it's like, birds of a feather flock together. Chor chor mosere bhai. When you go to the politics and become the Prime Minister, you will also be corrupt somewhere. And you are saying to remove and eradicate corruption. Is it really possible after you join politics?
Yes, sir, if I am pure by my heart.
You are right now pure by your heart. But when you become politician, you will again change your heart.
Why, sir? If
Why?
necessary.
It's necessary because all the politicians do the same thing. First of all, they give a slogan कि हम देश को बचा लेंगे. फिर ज्वाइन करने के बाद वो कहते हैं हम देश को लुटा देंगे.
This is all about they wanted to just grab a lot of money from the country. But if I think I can enjoy my life with a normal amount of money, so I will not do.
It is just a fake statement, right? Because I believe that when you see the beauty of the world, you would like to fly in the private jet, you would like to have a big bungalow, good lifestyle, go to the different countries, and you will start enjoying it.
If I am a prime minister,
Yeah,
I can do it without doing any corruption.
you can do it without doing any corruption. Do you think that any time you would like to go to America and you will go, nobody will stop you, nobody will ask questions to you?
Why will I go America anytime? Like if it,
Anytime, that's for enjoyment, I'm saying, right? That's for.
if I am a prime minister, I have a lot of works to do.
Do you think after being the prime minister, you will have any personal life that, for example, if you want to go Italy for just, personal life or for exploring Italy, can you go there?
It's little difficult to.
Then that's what I'm asking. Like, if you want to enjoy your life, can you enjoy as the prime minister of India? Can you enjoy a personal life as the prime minister of India? You want to go 5-star hotel, have some jalebi there.
I can do it with my work whenever, like, if
Work is what?
should-
Work is always duty. And duty has not that much beauty. There is
We-
personal life I'm talking about.
But sir, every work gives little personal time to the person. So yeah, I can enjoy it with work.
You are the prime minister of India and you are saying that you are ready to remove and eradicate corruption, right? So I just want to know that is really corruption possible to be removed when there is corruption everywhere at every corner of the nation?
Yes, if we hire some good inspectors.
If we hire some good inspectors are hired, but they are fired as bad inspectors. When they join, they are good, but after joining, they become bad. लाख रुपए सैलरी है, करोड़ों की मांग है, टेबल पे करोड़ों पड़े हैं, ड्यूटी करके गुलाब जामुन खाते हैं, बिना ड्यूटी के रसमलाई मिल रही है, तो क्या मजा आएगा? मजा तो रसमलाई में है ना.
No, sir, but
So
we can enjoy our life with white collar jobs.
white collar jobs we can enjoy, but they become black collar, right? They become, green collar, blue collar, and they just change their even collar. They cut their collar. Collar ही काट के टी-शर्ट पहन लेते हैं.
Sir, there was a movement in India. It was Notbandi. We saw that there's a lot of black money just removed after that. So yeah, being a prime minister, I can do that thing just to.
You can do again that thing. मतलब फिर से 500 नहीं बंद कर दोगे आप.
Maybe sir, it can help to reduce the level of black money.
Are you sure? आपको लगता है कि इस चीज से आप corruption रोक सकते हैं? Is it the really only single माध्यम, single option to remove and stop the corruption? I'm asking to you.
No sir, we have to train our. We will train our politician to be gentle or just devoted to other country, not their.
Everybody joins 95% people join politics for their, red light, वो गाड़ी, वो शोहरत, वो इज्जत, वो रुतबा. बाहर से जुबान से कह रहे हैं कि हम सोसाइटी समाज को सर्व करेंगे, सेवा करेंगे, अंदर से कह रहे हैं हम तो मेवा खाएंगे। एंड यू आर सेइंग कि पॉलिटिशियंस को आप ट्रेन करेंगे, वो आपको ट्रेन कर देंगे। दे विल ट्रेन यू, you will not train the politicians.
It's not possible to just remove it from 100%, but
That is what I'm asking.
but we can do it little.
Now you are actually surrendering yourself.
No,
Now
I'm not surrendering, sir. I'm saying that something is better than nothing. If we can do something,
so you are ready to decrease 10% corruption only.
at least I will try.
At least you will try. अब आप now you are saying I will try. अब मैं कोशिश करूंगी. Being the Prime Minister of India, आप कोशिश करोगी, हटा भी नहीं सकती करप्शन को. Being the Prime Minister of India, आप करप्शन हटा भी नहीं सकते, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? What can you do?
It's not on my hands, sir. I will try just to teach them, just to train them to be good and devoted to other country.
What's the best thing in India?
It's beauty.
Where is the beauty of India?
Kashmir, Ladakh.
कश्मीर, लद्दाख. Have you gone there? जब आप गई नहीं तो आपको कैसे पता ब्यूटी है वहाँ?
I have seen it on social media.
सोशल मीडिया, हर सोशल मीडिया पे दी हुई चीज क्या हकीकत होती है?
But there are a lot of things which is in real.
Which is in real.
Like my sister live in Kashmir. She
told you.
it's beautiful.
But आपने अपनी सिस्टर का कोटेशन नहीं दिया, आपने सोशल मीडिया को बताया. Do you believe in social media more than your sister?
She just gave me the idea through social media.
She gave you idea through social media.
Yes.
मतलब she posted on her Instagram profile.
No, she just recorded the videos and photos.
Then she showed you through mobile phone, not social media. उन्होंने मोबाइल फोन के द्वारा दिखाया और उन्होंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताया और आप कह रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया से आपने कश्मीर के बारे में जाना. I think you believe more than you believe social media more than your sister.
No, sir. I just believe in both of the thing in equal manner.
Okay. What is the best thing in Kashmir? If your sister has told you the facts and right things.
Beautiful trees,
Beautiful.
cherry blossoms, and
Okay. Have you seen that?
no,
Your sister told
my
me.
sister told me.
Okay. Would you like to see in future? Okay. Would you like to go there, be there in Kashmir?
I would love to be there in Kashmir.
You'd love to be there. Have you heard about Sonmarg, Gulmarg? Heard about these places?
Yes.
Have you heard about Shikara? Shikara ride?
No, not Sikar.
No, I have not heard about it. Have you heard about Kahwa? No, not heard about this. Okay. Dry fruits are also there. Like Kesher honey is also there. So Kalyani, I want to know that as we know that Delhi is a city of actually pollution and the pollution level is actually increasing Delhi. So is it really safe to stay in Delhi? And if it is safe, then how is it safe?
It is not safe for the physical health, but for our education purpose, it's good for living in Delhi.
Okay. I am a drugs addicted person, right? And you have to give me 1 minute motivation and healing power, healing motivation. How can I overcome that drugs addiction? I am a drugs addiction person. Come on.
Okay. Firstly, you got a life because of your parents. He or she will gives you the life.
I don't understand.
Oh, this life is given by your parents. So it's your responsibility to take care of your parents out of your life. You have your personal space in your life, but you have to take care of your parents, your family. They are devoted.
Why will I take care of my parents and family?
Because they are taking care of you. The drugs you are having today, the money comes from your parents.
I don't take from my parents.
Where you take from?
I take from somewhere else.
You're earning?
I will not tell you that. But I don't take from my parents.
Okay, so you're just destroying your life, and this life is
How
given.
can you say that I'm destroying my life? I just want to ask to you one thing. Do you travel?
Sometime.
Why do you travel? Do you spend money on traveling?
I spend money on traveling, but for the purpose of some work.
Same way I spend money on drugs for the purpose of actually enjoyment. I feel good.
You feel good, but you are destroying your life, your body.
You feel good in the traveling, but you destroy your parents' money.
I will earn after doing my...
I will also earn. I am earning. I don't take from my parents.
How will you earn after enjoying? It's not possible.
I don't take from my parents. Even you take your parents' money. You take your parents' money for your personal journey and for your personal travel. I just earn money for my drugs.
Take money from my parents for my personal traveling or journey, but after that, if I complete my work, if I complete my degrees, I will earn. And
did I interfere you in your personal life? So why are you interfering in my personal life? I'm having drugs, it's all right. Why are you disturbing me for that?
At this time, I'm your psychologist and you came here just to...
Why should I believe in you? Why should I trust you?
Life is more beautiful and more precious than the drugs. There is a lot of good things in the world you can consume and you can enjoy it. There are a lot of things to enjoy. Not only the drugs is the reason to.
Tell me the alternate of drugs.
You can enjoy party. You can like have some snacks,
What kind of snacks are you talking about?
chocolate or
Chocolate. That's in chocolates. They are same.
no,
Are the same as the taste.
but it is good at taste.
It is good. You like chocolates, I like drugs. Yeah, it's your choice, it's my choice.
Okay, after having drug, how you feel?
I feel amazing. I feel great.
For how long time?
I just, how much time do you feel good after having chocolate?
While eating?
While eating. You enjoy while eating. I enjoy while taking, consuming, and I also enjoy for some long span of time. For 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Look, my drugs is more powerful than your chocolate.
Okay, my chocolate is not harming me, but your drugs is harming you.
I don't think it's harming me. I enjoy it. Maybe your chocolate is also harming to your teeth.
No, I can remove the cavity through lot of things.
I can also remove something.
You cannot do it.
How can I?
Your body is functioning in a manner if you are putting drugs
Is
too
there
much.
is there drugs in the medicine?
Yes, it is.
So, do you take medicines or not?
Yes, I take it.
You take the medicines. So why don't you call it drugs and why don't you call it a bad element?
It is in a amount. It is in a limited quantity,
Hmm?
not unlimited.
So if I am having drugs in limited quantity, will you allow it?
Because I need medicine whenever it required. You are taking drugs.
I am taking drugs the way I require this.
It's not your requirement. It's just
By the way, nobody should have drugs.
okay.
But somewhere you should convince me in that way, right? Even I am convincing you, maybe you are gonna agree हाँ कि drugs ले लेना चाहिए. मेरी बातों से influence हो गई.
No, sir.
No, of course never. Kalyani, I want to know that what if we lose or if we just, cross our 30 years and we have no career option, no choice, we have not achieved anything in life. So what can we do in that case?
We can try new things.
After
we can
30,
we can try it from scratch.
how can we?
There is a KFC brand.
Okay,
The owner, I don't know the name,
okay.
but he started it after 60s.
Mm.
For the beginning, there is no age limit, no education limit. We can do it anything from
Mm.
scratch.
I have a last question for you. How do you find your personality? What do you think about your personality, by the way?
It's not fully developed. I need to explore a lot of things
Mm.
and wanted to enjoy and become something in my life.
What do you want to become?
At a good higher position of jobs or just to enjoy my life.
Just to enjoy without money.
No, not without money. Wanted to complete MBA.
You want to complete MBA.
Yes.
After completing MBA, you will be applying for a private job.
Yeah.
And then you will start enjoying your life.
I will apply for private job. After getting some experience from there,
Mm.
I would like to start my startup.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much.